your call to the right place. In just a few words, please tell me the reason for your call.
And the buying internet.
That's about call barring. Is that right?
I said, in the buying.
1 second. Which service suits best? A landline, a mobile phone, the internet, NBN?
In the buying.
Thank you for calling Telstra. This is Envy.
Envy?
Yes, sir.
What are you so envious about? Do you have the molecule?
I don't know what that is.
My name is Pippo Siciliano.
Pippo?
Pippo.
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 That's correct. Thank you very much, envious jealousy. I'm ringing because I need my M-Bane is stop.
Sorry, what stopped?
My M-Bane.
Say that again, sir.
My Wi-Fi is stop and nothing to work now.
Your wife?
Not my wife is stupid. The Wi-Fi. Stop. M-Bane. Stop.
Ben?
Not Bane. M-Bane.
N-Ben. I'm not sure what N-Ben is.
The internet, stupid.
Oh, right, NBN.
Yes.
Rightio. How can I help you with that?
It's stop.
Have you had a disconnection?
No, I'm not disconnected nothing. I tried to use the pad and nothing to work no more.
Okay, sir. If we go through some troubleshooting, maybe I can help you.
Yeah, it's very big trouble for me.
Okay, sir. So, your NBN's not working on your iPad. Is it working on any other device?
It's not working no place. I try on the pad. I try on the iPhone, the Android, and also the Google.
On what, sir? What was the last one?
The Google.
The Google. Would that be Google?
That's the one.
Rightio, sir. Okay. So, have you tried turning off your modem and turning it back on?
Who?
Your modem.
What's this?
Well, when you connected with the services, you would have been sent a modem, a little box.
Oh, the box. Yes, the box. It's flash all the lights, but where it says internet, flash red.
Okay, so you'll need to turn that off and reset it.
Do you want me to do that now?
Yes, please.
I can't do that now because I'm talking to you.
That's fine. That won't interrupt the phone call. You just need to turn off the box on the modem and then reconnect.
And correct.
Yes.
All right. That's it.
Well, yes. Once that's done, it hopefully should be back up and running.
And all right, I'll call you back. What's your number?
You can just ring the main number that you rang.
Yeah, but I want to speak to you, Envy. You already know the story, or else I gotta say the story all over again to some Indiano who doesn't know what I'm talking about. Because last time I speak to some other and she know nothing.
Not a problem, Pippo. I can send you a text and you'll have my direct number on there.
Text.
Yeah, an SMS.
SMS.
Yes.
All right, you send the SMS. I fix the in-bane and then SMS.
No, you have to call me back.
I'm gonna call you back.
Yes. If it's not working, then you'll need to call me back. Then my number will be on the SMS I send you.
Okay, SMS.
Yes.
Okay, I'll call you back. And you know what? Just a bit of advice from me, a tip. Don't be envy no more, envy.
Not a problem, sir. Thank you for the advice.
Okay, thank you, envy.
No worries.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You have a great day too. Thank you, envy.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, envy. Ciao, envy.
Bye.
Ciao. Ciao, envy.
Thank you for calling Telstra.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao, envy.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Envy.
Yes.
Ciao.
Okay, ciao.
Okay, bye-bye.